Everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you need to pay your taxes to the Canada Revenue Agency using RBC online banking, I will walk you through the simple steps to pay personal or business taxes. First, make sure you have your account detail ready. For personal taxes, you will need your 9-digit social insurance number. For business taxes, you will need your 15-digit business number, which can be found on CRA correspondence. Decide on the type of payment you are making: personal income tax, GST, HST, or payroll deductions, and ensure you have sufficient funds in your RBC account. Next, log into your RBC online banking at rbcroyalbank.com or through mobile app. Go to the Bills section and choose Add Pay. Search for CRA and select the appropriate option. Enter your SIN or business number without spaces and double check that everything is entered correctly. Once that is done, go to Pay Bills, select the CRA as the payee, enter the amount you want to pay and choose a payment date. Someday, payments are typically processed on the same day after reviewing all the information. Confirm the payment. Payment usually reach the CRA within 5 business days, and your CRA account is typically updated within 2 or 3 days. Make sure to save the confirmation for your records, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.